Starting the list at 10 is Cari-Med. Cari-Med employs more than 326 persons, a distinct cry from the 3 persons it started with in 1986. It has maintained its place as a leader in innovation and business, due in no small part to its large investment in upgrading its information technology infrastructure, which has kept the company on the leading edge with current technologies. Cari-Med is a fully automated company with systems from different departments interfacing to provide a one-of-a-kind consumer experience. The warehousing and storage of goods have all been automated, enabling real-time inventory status reports. Handheld devices, which interface directly with the automated system, enable speedier retrieval of stocks as well as automatic invoice generation, which translates into faster delivery times to customers. In 2005, Cari-Med welcomed Kirk Distributors as part of its family.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
At number 9 is Island Grill. Island Grill sells authentic Jamaican food, and its restaurants have a uniquely Jamaican feel, with menu items that include fried plantain, festival and jerk chicken. There is no mistaking the origins of this company. Talia Lynn started Island Grill in 1991, and the chain has since grown to more than 15 in Jamaica and 1 in Barbados. The company also contributes consistently to charitable causes. At number 8 is the CB Group. What started as a small bakery operation in a rural town in St. Elizabeth eventually moved to Kingston in 1952 and now delivers breads, buns, crackers, biscuits and snacks under the national HTB and Yummy brands island-wide. In the 1980s, this baking family ventured further into the food industry, taking a bold step into agriculture and planting the seeds for what today forms the CB Group, home of CB Chicken, Smart Eggs, Chiffonam Eggs, Copperwood Pork, Caribbean Passion, Bad Dog Sausages and Nutramix Feeds. With a strong focus on people, training and technology, the CB Group has built vertically integrated poultry, swine and egg operations, the most modern feed mill in the Caribbean, and today lead the safe food movement. At 7 is Rainforest Seafoods. Armed with a wealth of experience in the tourism industry, Brian Jardim recognized that hotels in Jamaica and the wider Caribbean lacked a consistent, high-quality supply of the healthiest protein available, seafood. So, in 1995, he decided to embark on his vision. He turned to brokering container loads of bulk-packed seafood to sandal resorts throughout the Eastern Caribbean. Today, Rainforest Seafoods is the largest, most consistent supplier of high-quality seafood throughout Jamaica and the wider Caribbean. At 6 is Jamaica Boilers. The Jamaica Boilers group of companies is one of the most advanced and diversified agricultural producers in any developing nation today. The company started in 1958 as Jamaica's pioneer producer of boiler meat on a commercial basis. Today, it has a fully integrated poultry operation and has diversified into feed milling, cattle rearing, beef production and fish farming, along with the development and marketing of other value-added products for both commercial consumption and export. The Jamaica Boilers Group has also devoted significant resources to developing affiliated services that support its varied agricultural operations. These include veterinary and nutritional services, the wholesale and retail of a full range of farm products, and pre-mixing of feed ingredients and concentrate. Jamaica Boilers Group has been a publicly listed entity since 1992 and is one of the first companies in the world to offer an employee share ownership plan. The company currently has a workforce of over 1,500 workers and operates from 7 locations island-wide, with 2 divisions located in the United States. At number 5 is National Commercial Bank. The National Commercial Bank Jamaica Limited (NCB) has its genesis when in 1837 the Colonial Bank of London, England opened its door on Harbour Street in Kingston. Through a series of mergers and acquisitions, the bank eventually became known in 1977 as National Commercial Bank Jamaica Limited. Today, trading on both the Jamaica and Trinidad and Tobago stock exchanges, NCB has grown to become Jamaica's largest financial services provider. NCB provides a wealth of financial services through its network of 36 locations island-wide. These services include checking and savings accounts, credit card facilities, personal and commercial loans, insurance, and wealth management, supported by internet banking. At number 4 is Megamart. Mega Mart, the brainchild of Jamaican businessman Gazan Azan Jr., revolutionized the landscape of retail shopping in Jamaica with the opening of its first outlet in Portmore, St. Catherine on September 1st, 1999. With the advent of the 75,000 square foot store, shopping in a single location suddenly became multifaceted with grocery, bakery, haberdashery, clothing, electronics, liquor, food court and a pharmacy, all under one roof. In essence, Mega Mart was a one-stop shopping experience, coupled with the convenience of shopping until 10 p.m., 7 days per week, another first in the local retail market. With the success of the Portmore location, a second store was opened in Kingston on December 7, 2003. Mega Mart Waterloo provided shoppers with 73,000 square feet of shopping convenience. Operations were later expanded to Montego Bay and Mandeville, Manchester. The company provides employment for over 1,000 Jamaicans. At number 3 is the Lasco Group of Companies. The Lasco Group of Companies comprises several businesses involved in manufacturing, packaging and distribution of high-quality, nutritious and affordable products. Its pharmaceutical division represents world's leading pharmaceutical companies, while the financial service division provides national and international services. LaSalle's chain founded Lasco in 1988 in the island's capital, Kingston, and since that time, the Lasco name has become synonymous with nutrition, great taste and affordability in the Caribbean, the Caribbean diaspora, Latin America, Europe and North America. The company is renowned for its quality beverages, cereals, meats and sauces, personal care items, household products and pharmaceuticals. Lasco currently exports its product to over 14 countries including CARICOM territories, the Bahamas, Cayman Islands, Canada, the UK, US, Panama, the British Virgin Islands and the US Virgin Islands. At number 2 is Jamaica Producers. Jamaica Producers Group, formerly the Jamaica Banana Producers Association Limited, is a wholly Jamaican-owned company with a unique shareholder structure, which is the result of its equally unique history. The company came into being on April 1st, 1929, as a direct descendant of the Jamaica Producers Association formed in 1925, under which separate cooperatives, one for the marketing of each agricultural product, were set up. It had an initial membership of 6,145. The company was formed with the courageous objective of protecting the cooperative and the local banana industry from the demise owing to fierce competition from the large foreign-owned fruit companies in the shipping and marketing of Jamaican bananas. It has since grown from strength to strength, diversifying into shipping, a related support business, and moving up the value chain to provide processed food like smoothies, banana chips, and juices. At number 1 is Grace Kennedy. Grace Kennedy is one of the Caribbean's largest and most dynamic corporate entities. The company started in Jamaica in 1922 as a small trading establishment and wharf operator. It has expanded and diversified over the years, changing from a privately owned enterprise to a public company listed on the stock exchanges of Jamaica and Trinidad and Tobago. Today, the Grace Kennedy Group comprises a varied network of some 60 subsidiaries and associated companies located across the Caribbean and in North and Central America and the United Kingdom. Its operations spans the area of food processing and distribution, banking and finance, insurance and remittance services, together with an investment in building materials retailing. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.